All right, we are doing Unit 2, Section 3, Test Review number 1. Page 383, number 1. It says we must graph these two equations. So, I have y equals 2x, and I have y equals 6 minus x. So that would be negative 1 over 1 on my 6. On the first one, I start at 0. I go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, down 2 left 1, down 2 left 1, so on and so forth. On the last one, or the second one, I have positive 6, and I got to go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. That is where they intersect. My point of intersection is 2, 4. So my x value is 2, my y value is 4. Number 2, they give me y equals x minus 3. They give me y equals negative 2x plus 9. So I'm going to start at negative 3. I'm going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. I'm going to start at 9. I'm going to go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. If I go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, I see where they intersect. They intersect at 4, 1. Page 383, number 5. They give me y equals x plus 8, and they give me 2x plus y equals negative 10. They ask me to use substitution. So I'm going to substitute. So this would be 2x plus x plus 8 equals negative 10. This is really a 1, so I can actually distribute that positive 1. I still have 2x plus 1x plus 8 equals negative 10. Combine like terms, that gives me 3x plus 8 equals negative 10, minus 8 minus 8. I get 3x equals negative 18. Divide by 3, x equals negative 6. I'm going to take that and I'm going to substitute it back in. Y equals negative 6 plus 8, so y equals 2. Number 8, I give you 6x minus 4y equals 6. I give you negative 6x plus 3y equals 0, and they say use elimination. Those two eliminate. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1y. 6 plus 0 is 6. Divide by negative 1. I get y equals negative 6. I take this and I plug it back in. 6x minus 4 parenthesis negative 6 equals 6. 6x plus 24 equals 6. Minus 24 minus 24. 6x equals negative 18. Divide by 6 and I get x equals negative 3. Number 13, they say use elimination, and they give me 2x plus 6y equals 18. They give me 3x plus 2y equals 13. If I want to eliminate, I could either I can change these into be opposite numbers, or I can change these into opposite numbers. I like these, so I would multiply this by negative 3. That gives me negative 9x, negative 6y, negative 39. So what eliminates? These two eliminate. 2x minus 9x is negative 7x. 18 minus 39 is negative 21. Divide by negative 7, x equals 3. I take that and I plug it back in. 2 times 3 plus 6y equals 18. 6 plus 6y equals 18. Minus 6 minus 6. 6y equals 12. divide by 6, y equals 2. Number 19. Go ahead and pause the video and read the word problem. So the two unknowns is our reams of paper and our inkjet cartridges. I'm going to let reams of paper be P for paper, and I'm going to let the inkjet cartridges be C for cartridges. So P equals paper, C for cartridges. If there were 24 paper, so 24P plus 4C equaled 320. So our first equation of our systems is 24C, or P, plus 4C equals 320. Our next one would be 2P, because it says 2 reams of paper plus 1 ink cartridge added up to 50. Sorry? There you go. There's my systems of equations. I'm going to go ahead and I like the 4 and the 1, so I'm going to multiply this by negative 4. That gives me negative 8P minus 4C equals negative 200. So that middle thing is away. These eliminate. 24 minus 8 is 16P. 320 minus 200 is 120. Divide by 16, divide by 16. So 120 divided by 16 gives me 7.5. So we bought 7.5 reams of paper. I go ahead and I plug this into, my P. So 24 times 7.5 plus 4C equals 320. 24 times 7.5. 24 times 7.5 gives me 180. 320 minus 180 minus 180. 320 minus 180 gives me 140. So 4C equals 140. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. I get 35. So that would give me 35 cartridges. Page 277, number 9. Number 9. On number 9, go ahead and pause the video and read. So they give me a table, they give me 2 points, and I need to find the equation. So I'm going to go ahead and find the slope first, given the 2 points. So the 2 points in which I need to use is 100, 160, 500, 680. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So I would have 680 minus 160 over 500 minus 100. That gives me 520 over 400. 520 divided by 400 gives me 1.3. So my slope is 1.3. Y minus y1 equals 1.3x minus 100. Y minus 160 equals 1.3x minus times 100 gives me 130. Add 160, add 160. Y equals 1.3x plus 30. Predict the amount of time it required to paint a room measuring 750. My x represents my room size, so I would plug in 750. So y equals 1.3 times 750 plus 30. 1.3 times 750 plus 30. That gives me y equals 1005. So the time would be 1,005, and I believe it's minutes in which they are talking about. Number 11 says, write an equation that is parallel to 2, -3, and y equals 4x minus 9. Parallel means the same slope. So y minus -3 equals 4, parenthesis x minus 2. That's plus 3. So y plus 3 equals 4x minus 8, minus 3 minus 3. Y equals 4x minus 11. Number 13. Now they want perpendicular. They give me 1, 4 as my point, and they want perpendicular to y equals -2x plus 5. So perpendicular would be positive 1 over 2 for my slope. So y minus 4 equals 1 over 2 x minus 1. Y minus 4 equals 1/2 x minus 1/2. I would multiply everything by 2 to get rid of my fraction. So this would be 2y minus 8 equals 1x minus 1. That would be plus 8 plus 8. 2y equals 1x plus 7. Divide by 2. And that would give me my answer. Page 147, number 1. Pause the video and read the problem, please. Okay, Orlando already has $13.50 in the bank. He wants to increase his balance to this total by depositing $40 each week. So my equation would be y equals, he already has $13.50 and he's going to put 40 in the bank. So 40x plus $13.50, and he wants 2,550, so I'd say 2,550 equals 40x plus 1350 minus 1350 minus 1350. So 2,550 minus 1350 gives me 1,200. 1,200 equals 40x. Divide by 40. 1,200 divided by 40 gives me 30. So it would take 30 weeks for him to get his money. And we are done.